iOS system on both iPhones and iPads proved to be powerful with their fast Bionic chip coupled with more than 5-core GPU, which makes video editing and playback to 4K footage using a phone more fluid. There are many apps that we can find on the App Store but not on the Play Store. So, what are the best available apps for an iOS system? What can you create with just an iPhone in your hands and whatever you are? Let's roll the list to find out. As an expert video editor, you're aware that working on your phone does not provide you with the same level of professional clip management as a computer software does. I'm going to show you a powerful but easy-to-use mobile app made especially for experienced creators and influencers. You could find tools that are normally available on desktop software in the upcoming apps, allowing you to create stunning videos. For example, you can use the chroma key to change the background. You can also color grade or pick up the pace, with many more features such as masking, layering, keyframing, picture-in-picture, speed ramp, a large copyright music library, and sound effects collection aligned with your storyline, all with the ability to export in 4K UHD. All of this using just your finger, maybe two sometimes, but with perfect precision control. Splice is a free app from the creator of GoPro that is accessible on iOS devices only. It offers a pro version for additional features. Correspondents, on-the-scene reporters, filmmakers, and professional producers use Luma Fusion because it's an impressive multi-track editing app that helps you tell captivating stories through video. It has an improved drag-and-drop timeline, one of the most recent revolutions of iPhones and iPads for video and sound effects. It also has color correction, grade showing video scopes, and histograms, in addition to waveforms and vector scopes with a panel of LUTs and presets that will be updated every time a new look is released. In the meantime, the project manager's new import and restore feature makes it simple to locate a pre-made project backup from the management store, one every day for the past 30 days and one every month for the past months. This is going to make sharing to YouTube, Vimeo, Dropbox, and Google Drive much easier, or export directly to SanDisk, iXpand, flash drives, and Network Pilot, including WD Wireless Pro and the new SSD. Furthermore, you can always export your file in FCP XML format to continue editing on any other program. After all, this is a popular app, even among experts that use desktop video editing software as their main tool. Obviously, a wonderful app like this is not for free. It costs about $30, but it's totally worth it in my opinion. This app, which was previously known as iMovie HD, was developed exclusively by Apple for macOS, iOS, and iPadOS devices. With an easy-to-use interface, multi-touch gestures, and minimalistic tabs, you can select an album or a group of videos or images to edit. You can also add titles, transitions, and music, or apply a different style to change up the look. The special feature of this app is the Hollywood look templates, which allow you to select from 14 trailers with remarkable graphics and original music by some of the world's most renowned film composers, in addition to various themes of animated titles and filters. All of this, plus screen controls like size and depth, make it simple to adjust and replace backgrounds using the keying feature. When working with the iPod Touch, iPhone 7, iPad mini, or iPad Pro, and so on, you should be aware that they support 4K at 60 frames per second. Since it's easy to use and free to download, it's useful for those of you who make a lot of videos on a daily basis. Using an iOS device, that is, because this app is an iOS exclusive. However, the Pro full pack version costs approximately $6 per month and around $36 per year. And if you don't subscribe, some features are limited and your projects will be slapped with a watermark. Luckily though, the test version can do more than just basic editing. It can handle effects and sounds that can be manipulated to your liking, chroma key for green screen, and it also provides you with a music library. What's even more awesome is that you can either choose a 4:5 ratio for portrait videos or 16:9 ratio for landscape videos when working on a project for something like, say, Instagram. The only drawback is the real-time aspect of the app, because it's kind of hard to see your changes as you make them. If you want to view your exported project on a larger screen once the editing is completed, you'll have to select the widescreen toggle. In other words, you have to try and hope for the best. Other than that, everything is perfect. If you're not feeling very inspired, there's a bunch of tools that can help you leverage your imagination based on your initial idea of the project. Simply test the various filters, stickers, text transitions, and go from there. This app offers almost the same features as TikTok, including captions, music, effects, and emojis for live streaming. Because it's an Apple exclusive, you have access to your iTunes library. However, you should be wary of copyright when sharing your videos on social media. You also have soundtracks that you can use without worrying about copyright strikes that would get your content deleted once uploaded to the internet. You also have AR spaces that can make your videos so much more interesting with augmented reality effects. I hope I'm not butchering its name, LiDAR, that you can use to emphasize depth, allowing you to do a bunch of cool stuff, like adding a virtual disco floor in your room, setting off a confetti explosion, leaving a trail of stars behind you, and so on. Not to mention that each month you'll receive a new set of stickers, posters, filters, or effects that will show up in your app panel automatically. This app has a simple timeline with just the basic controls, like trim, remove, and add. It's not a quote-unquote professional tool per se, but rather something used by, say, influencers who share their everyday shorts and reels for their audiences. If you suffer from the dreadful problem of limited phone storage that every editor faces, this app is ideal for you. Why, you might ask? Well, it's because you can connect it to the cloud. Not only that, but it also has a very convenient free version that provides you with a plethora of features, such as green and recording screens, color balancing, and multi-layer video. No experience is required. You can simply start recording while setting the duration of the video. This makes the app very suitable for making live reels and leveraging the fully customizable settings, such as unique fonts, automatic captions, and even your own logo. It had some bugs when first released, naturally, like the record button not functioning correctly and text changing after sharing, but it's all good now thanks to the developer who took feedback into consideration. VideoShop is a powerful app that comes with multiple effects. You can import clips from your camera roll or record them directly within the app. After that, you can add text, tilt shift, filters, and even resize your clips. Once you finish, you can simply share your video on social media like TikTok, Vimeo, Instagram, or YouTube, or just save on your gallery or Dropbox. Of course, apps are abundant, but in the end, it's up to you, your skills, and creativity. You should pick an app that you're comfortable with, one that you enjoy using. That's literally one of the keys to making great content. Couple that with iPhones that are now faster and more reliable than some computers. Why not use them for making video content while you're on a trip or in a waiting hall? I would do that. In fact, I actually do that. That's it for our video today. We hope you found this list useful. Comment below if you think that we've missed something or if you have any other suggestions. Thank you for watching as always, and see you next time.